Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm using Claude Code with different AI models. Every time, I can switch to and use a different model. And the best part? You can use all these models for free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can set this up and use premium AI models for free as well. So, this is Agent Router. These are the providers that give us access to these models. To use it, you'll need a GitHub account to sign in. Your GitHub account should be at least 1 to 1.5 years old to access these models. So, just sign in using your GitHub account. So now, let's go to the wallet section. Here, you can see the invitation link. For every successful referral, you can earn $100 in credits. So, if you want to earn more credits, you'll need to invite more people using your referral link. I'll also add my referral link in the description below. So now, on the dashboard, you can see how many credits you received after signing in. I got $125 in credits, but I'm not sure if everyone gets the same amount or if it varies from account to account. Next, go to Personal Settings. Here, you can see all the models that are available for you to use. So now, go to the API Token section and click on Create Token. You can give your token any name you want. Leave the token grouping as the default, and for the expiration, you can choose whatever option you prefer. I'm selecting Never. Now, scroll down to the Quota Settings section and enable Unlimited. Finally, click on Submit, and that's it, you've got your API key. Now, copy your API key and open the settings.json file inside the .claude directory. I'm using Linux, but you can find the .claude directory on Windows or Mac as well. Once you open the file, simply paste your API key there. Now, this is the base URL that you need to add to your settings.json file. Then, go back to Personal Settings. Here, you can choose any model you want to use. Simply click on a model, copy its name, and add that model name to your settings.json file. Now, save the file, and you can start Claude Code to use the selected model. I'll fast forward the video here while I test 2 or 3 more models, just to show you a quick demo of how it works. And that's it. Now you know how to use different AI models with Claude Code using an API key, without paying for each model separately. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, tutorials, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.